Hey friends, we are here with skills for lesson 5. We're going to start with oral blending like we always do. We're using our fingers this time. Listen first and then you do it with me. Go, g-o, go. Now with me. Go, g-o, go. Good job. Next one. Listen first, then together. No, n-o. No. Do it with me. No, n-o. No. Next one. Joe. J-o. Joe. Do it with me. Joe. J-o. Joe. Next one. So. S-o. So. Do it with me. So. S-o. So. Next one. Say. S-a. Say. I can't remember if we did that one together. Let's do it again. Say. S-a. Say. Okay, last one on this slide. Day. D-a. Day. Let's do it together. Day. D-a. Day. All right. And now we're moving on to our 3-letter sounds. Listen first, then do it with me. Cat. K-at. Cat. Do it with me. Cat. K-at. Cat. All right, next one. Bat. B-at. Bat. Do it with me. Bat. B-at. Bat. Next one. Listen first, then do it with me. Bet. B-et. Bet. Do it with me. B-et. Bet. Next one. Ben. B-en. Ben. Do it with me. Ben. B-en. Next one. This is the number 10. Sometimes in the South we say tin, but that is our next word. Tin is a piece of metal. Let's do this. Listen first and then do it with me. 10. T-e-n. 10. Like the number 10. Next one is tin. This is like a piece of metal, not the number. Listen first, then do it with me. Tin. T-e-n. Tin. Do it with me. Tin. T-e-n. Tin. Okay, who remembers this sound? Like fan. Let me widen my area a little bit. Fix this for you. Trying to. Okay, let's see. The first sound. Next sound. Ah. Next sound. T. Parents, I want you to pause right here and have your child write those sounds a couple of times each. And then we can move on to the next slide. Just resume when you're ready. Okay, what's this first sound? D. Good job. Next sound. Ah. And this last one. Again, I want you to pause right here and have your child write those sounds a couple of times each and resume when you're ready. All right, first sound right here. Excuse me. G. All right, next sound. I. This sound. Very good. Pause right here and write those sounds a couple of times each. All right, here are our next two sounds. Which one is this first one? Good job. And this one right here. Again, I want you to pause right here and write those sounds a couple of times each and resume when you're ready. Okay, here are the workbook pages. I skipped over a couple of slides back here because they match up with the workbook pages. As you can see, you're going to sound out these words and, sorry, lost my train of thought. You're going to sound out these words and draw a line to match it to the correct picture. Okay? Right here is where you're going to do your chaining. So again, we have our letter cards, and then you are going to chain them like I taught you, and make your child tell which sound to change, and then sound the new word out together. And then your workbook page, and then you will be done. Have a good day. See you next time.